Hello everybody, welcome back. Due to an Amazon shipping delay, Friday's Harry Potter video is going to be, I think, next week. So we're gonna get a head start on next week's theme, which is like medical and organs and growth, which is like so much fun for me. And we're making body part dog treats. The gory part of Halloween, I think, is my favorite part. I know it's very off-brand for me, but I thought it'd be so cool to include your dog in the kind of creepy Halloween touch. So we are making dentures, or I guess just teeth, and an edible brain for puppies. So let's get started. So first, to make the white base, you want to get some yogurt that is Greek yogurt, 2% or basically full fat, and plain unsweetened. You don't want any artificial sweetener in it. And you want to mix that with a quarter cup of water in a bowl. Set that aside. Then combine some gelatin and some dog-friendly beef stock in a small bowl and microwave for 15 to 30 seconds or until the gelatin has melted. And so this beef stock I've used in a bunch of videos. I'll link it down below, but it's safe for dogs because human beef stock can have onions and garlic in it, which are toxic, so you want to make sure you're using dog-friendly stock. Then add this to the yogurt mixture and mix to combine, then just set it aside. Then to make the pink layer, place some frozen and then thawed strawberries into a food processor and pulse until they're completely liquid. This looks so bloody. I love it. I love it. Then combine the gelatin and again some more beef stock in a small bowl and microwave for 15 to 30 seconds or until the gelatin has melted. Then add the gelatin mixture to the juice, mix it together and set it aside. So first, if you want to make the teeth, you want to grab a teeth mold. I'll link this below. I think it's from the brand Fred. And you want to grease it lightly with some olive oil and pour the white mixture into the teeth section of the mold. Pop it into the fridge for 5 minutes or until the jelly has just partially set. This is important. You want it to be sticky, kind of like jam, because if it's too set, then the two colors won't stick together. They'll just kind of set separately. Then fill the mold the rest of the way with the strawberry mixture and pop it into the fridge for about 45 minutes for it to set. Then to make the brain, you kind of want to do the opposite order. So you want to pour the strawberry mixture into the brain first, and again pop it into the fridge for about 10 minutes or until the jelly has just partially set. Then pour the yogurt mixture on top, and if you'd like it to be more of like an ombre look, you can kind of swirl it together so that the two layers aren't quite as distinct. And if you still have some extra room in your mold, you can either remake the strawberry layer or the yogurt layer. So I made a mixture of strawberry yogurt and gelatin, and then I poured it on top just to fill it the rest of the way. And then I added some whole strawberries just because they were sitting around and watching me, and I figured I needed to use them. Paddington seemed quite happy with it. And then pop that into the fridge again for about 45 minutes, maybe a little bit longer for the brain since it's bigger. To help unmold the jellies, because these molds can be a little tricky with the shape, you can dunk the base of the mold into a tray filled with hot water for a couple seconds, but don't leave it in for too long because the gummies can melt as well if they're too hot, so just a couple seconds. And turn it out, and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. We hope that you like this recipe. But if you didn't know, I'm putting every week from Monday to Friday in October. I don't know how to word that properly. So make sure to tune in on Monday for some more creepy recipes. What do we have coming Monday? Actually, check the description box because I will leave a hint there for you. And I'm doing a giveaway this month. It's going to be Harry Potter themed. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and take a look at my Instagram, which is just at pankobunny as well, because it will be announced there. But anyways, yes, thank you all so much for watching. There will be another dog themed recipe next week, as well as the week after, and the week after that. We are doing a doggy dog recipe every week this month, so I can't wait for you guys to tune in. But yes, we love you so much, and we will see you on Monday.